one's a bait caster, but they're easy to backlash. So.
Them are hard to cast.
You want that thing to sit on now?
Yeah. Thanks.
Ding.
I'm confusing the current with bites. I don't know. It sank pretty low for a second. Oh.
Would you say was in this water like brain-eating amoeba?
Snatched my whole worm.
Oh yeah, I got one.
Got one?
Oh yeah, I got monster. I got lunker.
Oh.
Fuck yeah.
Oh.
Fuck yeah.
Oh.
Get the net, get the net, get that net. Right down here.
Where's the net?
Right here, look.
Here.
Get that
Boys, great.
Somebody grab this net, get over here. Oh, I just got away.
You got away?
Get over here, get over here, get over here. Net it, net it, net it. Yeah. Thank you.
Dang!
Thank you.
See?
I gotta do everything. I gotta film thing, I gotta take thing, I gotta adjust thing, I gotta drive, put the doors down, I gotta catch fish, I gotta be on the thing, I gotta pull the thing out, I gotta get the net.
You said grab the net. I'm like, what is happening?
I got the fish. Pete Purdy.
That's a good size.
You gotta go fishing with me.
Let me take your picture.
You just
Somebody's
got to
gotta
run
run
on
my
my face.
Addy, how you doing?
Wait.
Logan's tearing that bagel.
All right, let's get this guy back in the water.
That's a nice one. Good job.
It's a fake worm. I caught him right by the boat. Told you, huh? Look at that one. That's a good one right there. See you later. You guys see the big one?
Logan, you said you're gonna wait till somebody catches one, right?
Here, let me get out of
He's
this.
smacking right now. Hold up.
Look at that, Heather. Good idea to go fishing in the channel, huh?
Yeah.
Did I tell you guys you gotta have your pole in the water to catch fish? Got a lip to me though. Alright. Score one for the giver. to go. Way to go, Ace. You done it again. Man, that was a fake worm. Awesome. Got that. Artificial.
How much does the fishing boat cost?
That's what you get.
This one. Something like that.
This one I probably paid a little more, you know, but you can probably get something like this for $4,500 to $6,500.
You should get a fishing boat.
You gotta look around, look around.
What are we towing it with?
You gotta know what you need, what your capabilities are to pull it with.
Your dad's truck?
This truck's a good place to start, buddy.
You're gonna get a Yukon?
There's zero payment on that, so it's already like cost you nothing out of pocket. You're rolling in the right direction. Start with your dad's truck. Like, you're saving money already.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
You
now
heard what I do?
Catch a lily pad?
what do you? I heard you doing something
I'm a machinist.
already. Really? Good for you. Really? Nobody's gonna believe that either.
The fish was too big.
Well, the lily pads be pulling sometimes.
Man, that was awesome. Caught that big one. Since I was drifting that way, I might as well just leave this thing out back here.
Just put that bag out.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Is there another straw in there?
Straw? No, there's one on the cup. You want that one?
Take the cup one.
Here, I'll let you pull it out that way. My worm fingers ain't touching your straw. Keep your pill bottle. Peel off the
Is
label.
this the pole that I bought you, Logan?
Put it in my tackle box. Hold the hooks.
Logan.
Oh, that's why there's a hole in the bag.
This is nice.
Is that one of your grandpa's?
My grandpa's.
Gotta bring Davis back.
I bought the reel though.
You did.
Right here, baby. Giant surprise.
Yeah, I have to throw a few.
There was a new straw here. It poked through the bag, baby.
Look at my pole.
Now
Yeah.
you want it. Now that I have it, now you want it.
Yeah, I said I'd. Ooh, what was that?
What?
I was gonna go ahead and let that one. That was a good look.
Here you go.
Ooh, and I get a worm.
Everybody look out. Look out below. Yes.
This is out, Dan.
Gotta have your head on a swivel right here.
I'm watching off. I'm not feeling good.
I'm gonna make you sick. Watch me catch that big old bass, huh?
No, I have strep. That's why I was taking the meds.
You got strep? You doing? Come here.
What?
Well, I'm gonna thump you.
I'm not contagious anymore.
Look that way when you're talking. You're talking to me. I'm in the, what do you call that category? Fucking high risk.
Did you get one? Did you get a bite?
Crazy, I caught them on that BS one.
No.
I want to troll with that this thing I got right here and this
I remember when you said
pike lure or whatever.
the lows.
Yeah.
I want to put that out behind me and
That's
troll
because,
up by
like,
the island with
getting
it.
cut by
There's pike in
bluegills.
this.
I couldn't
Yeah.
figure out how to hold it.
Pike to eat those bass.
Lucky rod.
Yeah, I collect rocks. We have a little rock garden. Matter of fact, I'm in the middle of redoing that. On top of chopping a tree down. I'd like to go up by Lake Michigan and collect them too. You know? I collect the red granite ones mostly. Fossils and potassies. A little light on the potassies. Can't win them all, so make a plane.
We should get a fishing boat. I think it's not really something we need right now.
It's like what we need.
Huh?
Something we really need right now.
For my grad party, I'm gonna be putting that picture of me and Logan at our preschool graduation,
Oh yeah.
and then me and us at, or him and us at wait, what am I saying? Me and him